Hello everyone. We are going to cover Google Forms today in this video. Google Form is a survey administration software. It helps you collect and organize information big and small for free. In addition, it allows collecting information from users through surveys. The collected information can be automatically entered into a spreadsheet. Learning objectives are as follows. Learn how to access Google Forms. Learn how to create a form. Learn how to adjust settings. Learn how to send the completed form. View the completed form as a respondent's perspective. Learn how to view collected responses. First, let's go to google.com/forms/about. We see personal and business options in this video, and I'll choose personal to access it by typing my personal account and password. So let me click Go to Google Forms. Let's click the first one. Now we are seeing the untitled form. I'm going to develop the exit quiz regarding today's topic to walk you through steps to demonstrate and to cover features. So let me change the title as Exit Quiz. In terms of the form description, I typed as you see here. If you click Untitled Question, you will see several response options. Multiple choice is selected as default in this question. As you see, I changed the question and choices. You can not only copy this by clicking duplicate, but also make it required. I made the second one by clicking duplicate and changes the question and the type of the response selections into checkboxes. In addition, if you'd like to add a video, you can do so by clicking Add Video. You can use one of the available methods as you see here. I'm going to use my video for demonstration how to host a meeting via Zoom and click Select. If you want to move it to center, you can do so by clicking three dots and choosing Center Align. Now, let's check to see how this looks to respondents by clicking the icon Preview. Ta-da! Now we see this exit quiz as a respondent's perspective. So let's answer the following questions. What's the answer for the first one? Yes, the answer is A to Z e-learning Ally. What's the answer for the second one? Yes, we are covering Google Forms in this video. Let's assume that we watch this video. Then click Submit button to see how it looks like. Yeah, respondents will see this notice regarding their submission, like this page. However, let's assume that you want to collect their email address as well as to let them have the copy of their responses. So let's go back to the editable forms and go to settings. Let's click setting buttons. Let's put check boxes next to the collect email address and response received. You can adjust settings as you prefer, and then you can click Save. Now, you'll see the mandatory email address section is automatically created here. As soon as they submit their responses, you'll see the result immediately by clicking Responses. You can send the completed form via email, link, and embed by clicking the button Send. You can also make the link shorten by checking a box next to the shorten URL. I hope you find this video helpful and informative, and stay safe.